In this video, we're going to learn the basic of shading and lighting using Arnold and Houdini. And once we install the plugin and added these shelves, there is this Arnold lights here, and it contains all the lights that comes with the Arnold plugin. And I can simply click the any light type I want. And in this case, I'm gonna create a point light, and I click that, and then it changes in the viewport. So I have to click in the viewport, and now I have a point light. And I'm gonna leave the settings as the default, and I'm going to create another one, another spotlight. So I'm gonna click here and then place it. And you can see it has the Houdini controllers, so I'm gonna move it up and position it so that it aims at the tank, and we're gonna leave the settings as they are, so everything is the default. And we're going to switch to the shop context, and I'm going to create an Arnold shader. And once we have the plugin and everything, you can see there is, if you hit tab, there is this Arnold menu here, and you can see we have all the shaders available for us. And we're going to use the Arnold standard, and I'm going to create one and call it tank, and I'm going to change simply the diffuse color at this point, and I'm going to create another one and call it ground, and I'm going to change the color to have a bluish tint, and now we have two shaders. Now I'm going to switch back to the object context, and we're going to assign the tank shader using the material tab. So I'm going to browse to the tank, and I'm going to select the ground, and again use the material tab, and I'm gonna choose the ground in this case. And now we have created two lights and assigned two shaders. Now if we switch back to the out context and hit render, it's gonna send the render to mplay again, and we should have lights and shader assigned. Now the intensity of these lights is pretty low at this point, and I'm going to use the render view interactive rendering in Arnold to tweak the lights. So I'm going to hit render, and it's going to start the interactive preview rendering, and I'm going to switch back to the object and select the first light here. And if we go under the light tab, this is where we have all the pretty much all the light controls. And I'm going to increase the intensity to 100. You can see now we have stronger light, and then for the spotlight, I'm gonna switch to the light tab as well. I'm gonna increase its intensity to 1000. Let's say 500, 200, and I'm gonna change the color to give it an orange tint. And now we have our first render with lights and shaders. In the next video, we're going to look at all the light types in Arnold and how to control them, and how to tweak the settings for each of them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.